In the previous videos, we have seen that there are many problems while using one analog clock or analog watch. These types of clocks and watches are called analog watch, analog clock. Many problems, like we have to be very much sure about the position of hour hand and minute hand. We have to write AM or PM. We should not forget, rather we cannot forget to write it. If we forget to write, we will not be able to understand what part of the day is before 12 o'clock at noon or after 12 o'clock at noon. Suppose this time, now it is the time is now 5 hours and 17 minutes. 5 or 17 minutes. At this time I am preparing this video, you don't know what this time is. It is early morning, it is in the evening. Since generally we don't prepare these types of videos early in the morning, you can guess that this is evening session, 5:17 p.m. My point is, if AM or PM is not written, then we can't understand what part of the day is, morning or evening. We can't understand. So another problem, to avoid all these problems, we use this watch, this type of clock. This is called digital clock, digital watch. Digit means these are numbers. It is 522. Generally, the digital clocks are made on the basis of 24-hour clock system. But what does it mean? After 12 o'clock at noon, instead of writing 1, 2, 3, we go on adding all these hours to 12. So after 12 it will become 13, it will become 14, it will become 15, and so on. So at midnight, after 11 hours, the time will be 23 hours and some minutes, when minutes are there. So after 23 minutes 59, 23 hours 59 minutes, we will have 24 hours. This way 24 hour is completed. Again, the time will be shown as 00. Here two parts are displayed. One is before this colon, another is after the colon. This is for hours, that is for minutes. In this watch we can find these two divisions. See, 5, then colon, colon, then 24. Before colon it is hours, after colon it is 24. In some watches seconds are also displayed. And since this is digital clock, Tuesday, 21 date, 21 days of the month, 7th month of the year, that is July. So 21 July. We don't need all this, we need the time portion only. 5, 25, and 5 6 seconds or 7 seconds 8 seconds like this. 5:25. But generally the digital clocks are made on the basis of 24-hour clock system. So instead of showing 5:25, the clocks shows one number by adding 12 to it, 17:25. You can see in this watch the time is 16:54. The time is 16:54. Since this time is greater than 12, the time is greater than 12, 16 is greater than 12. So we will understand. Again, let me draw that diagram. If this is 12 at noon, 16 means to the right of 12, that is afternoon session. So it is afternoon, and we are not very much habituated to tell the time like this, 16:54. Then what to do? Simply we will subtract 12 from it to get our known format. This is 4:54. 4:54 in the afternoon. This way we can use the digital clocks, digital watches. We have seen digital watches at many places, in stations, in malls, in hospitals, in offices. So in this watch you can see it is already written, the watch is set like this, PM. So we won't have to calculate like this. We won't have to calculate. Here it is already displayed PM. 5:31 PM means it is afternoon session.